Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today I am doing another mukbang. Today I went to Wingstop and I got 4 different kinds because I want to try them all, but I don't know which ones I'm gonna like. So I'm gonna tell you guys about what I ran into at the store. I'll put a clip into that. I'll explain. And then also, I kind of want to talk a little bit about the shootings that went on over the weekend and stuff. So let's get into the video. Okay, so today I had to get the receipts to remember what I got. But I had some regular French fries. I got a classic combo with, oh, this is the garlic and Parmesan and the Hawaiian. And then I got the, so I guess this is the hickory smoked barbecue, and then the Cajun classic. So, got ketchup, and of course I got ranch back here. But I'm a little hungry, so I'm gonna eat. And then I'll start telling y'all about what I ran into at Family Dollar today. Which I couldn't believe it. Like it didn't happen out of nowhere. Anyway, this is a little bit of their Cajun seasoning to put on the French fries. But today was an interesting day. Work was kind of crazy, but we made it. Okay, we're not gonna start with. I'm gonna start with the Hawaiian. That is the Hawaiian one. It's pretty sweet. This is really good. I'm just hungry. I know. When I went in there to get this, there was another store. This lady was sitting there waiting for her food. And when they called her name, she like, you know, I've been waiting for about an hour for this. And the girl kind of just looked at me. And I was like, what gotta do, man? But I was afraid I was gonna have to wait for an hour, but I didn't. It was only like 20 minutes. But it was funny, and the lady was just like, oh, I'm sorry, I apologize for the wait. She was like, But I ordered this at 3:08. I've been sitting here for an hour. She's like, would you like something free for your wait? She's like, no. If you don't want me, I won't complain. I guess, I don't know. Maybe that's just me. But I'm okay with waiting sometimes because I want my food to be fresh, hot. I don't want no cold food. So this is the garlic Parmesan. I've had this one before. I actually like this one. Here from Wingstop. And I like it from Buffalo Wild Wings. I was thinking about doing a video where I'll compare Buffalo Wild Wings and Wingstop. Well, get some of their flavors that are the same, like the Parmesan. and compare the two and see which one's better. I do like them both, but I will say Buffalo Wild Wings, I like their sauce. It seems like they put more stuff on there. And I love my sauce. Got a lemonade from them. All right. This is really good. I'm kind of nervous about that one, the Cajun, because it's red. Like, it's hot. But their seasoning isn't that red. So here's their seasoning. And here's the chicken. It looks like that's gonna be hot. I think that's gonna be hot. Look at that. I'm doing that with my else. I might even like wait before I do that one. I think it's gonna be hot. I really do. This is probably gonna be a quick video. Cause like I said, I just wanted to talk to y'all, tell y'all about a couple things that I ran into today. But this is really good. I'm sorry, y'all. I didn't really have lunch. All I had was like, what did I have? Oh, nacho cheese and chips. Like queso cheese and chips. And that's it, and Gatorade. Take that back. That's all I had for lunch, but I did have breakfast this morning too. Which one I'm thinking about. I'm gonna get me some breakfast ready for tomorrow, so I can stop buying breakfast. And it sucks because like it's just so easy and convenient to just buy breakfast. I know I don't need to. You know what? I'm gonna just go ahead and try this one and get it out of the way. Oh, I didn't show you on the barbecue. Yeah, this is the hickory smoke barbecue. And this is the garlic parmesan. And of course, Bailey is sitting down here patiently waiting for me to drop something. Okay. I probably should have tasted it without the sauce first. this other side where there's no sauce. But it is a little spicy. I can take it. Yep. Whoa. It's probably really not that hot, but for me, it's hot. And I'm using the Cajun seasoning on the fries too. Don't need no more of that. That's all spicy. Like I can feel it on the tip of my tongue. And that was just the Cajun classic, but whatever. Okay, so Family Dollar. So I'm in Family Dollar because I needed to. I don't remember what I was looking for because I was just so thrown off. So I'm standing there, walking up and down the aisle looking, and out of nowhere I hear this girl like up front yell out. She could have said, "Excuse me." I'm like, what? And it just escalated from there. The lady was like, "There's no reason for me to say excuse me. Nobody was in the way. What are you talking about?" And she kept walking. So the girl just kept talking to her friend, to the cashier or whatever, about how that was rude and people just need to have some manners and going on and on and on. But the lady is coming back with her, you know, telling her like, you know, like I said, there was no reason for me to say excuse me because nobody was in the way. So I guess when the lady walked in the door, they were kind of like in the walkway, but the girl that was in the way saw the lady coming and automatically stepped out of the way. But I guess the other girl who was doing all the talking felt like she should have still said excuse me. I don't know. I wasn't at the front of the store, I was in the outlet. But she was going, talking about, you know, she needed to stop talking. Or, you know what, actually? I got a small clip of it because in the moment I was just shocked, like, what is going on? So actually, they was going back and forth and the girl was paying for her stuff. So I guess after she got done paying for her stuff, she walks back over to this lady, like, got close and to her face. And they, you know, was telling her she needed to shut her mouth and she needed to watch who she talking to, blah, blah, blah. And I guess, I don't know, either she felt like she got her point across or because she saw other people were in the store, she started to go back. But by that time is when I'm like, oh shit, let me pull out my phone, let me record. Too late now. So here's a clip of what I did catch.
You like that robot. Well, you can't just walk around talking to people anyway you want. Anyway, you don't want none. Trash. Anyway, here you go. So keep that voice down, because you don't want none, sweetie.
Nobody's afraid of you.
Stop talking, for real.
No.
I know you ain't.
It isn't gonna happen.
So bye. Shut
Bye.
up. Causing the fucking seat for what?
You're the one screaming at me.
You
You have nothing to do with this.
That's what
raised right. And nobody afraid of you.
So after all that, the girl had walked out of the store. The other lady was still kind of going, but really talking to herself. Just kept saying like, oh, she has no manners, she wasn't raised right, blah, blah, blah. Then she started apologizing to the people in the store, talking about, I'm sorry you had to be here for that. That was just unnecessary. That was uncalled for. Whatever, whatever. But it was funny. I really thought they were about to scrap. I really did. And I was going to be there for it to record it. Like, like I said, I wasn't up there, so I don't know how it went down, but and then the lady expected like the cashier to get into it and say something to her, but what could he do? Y'all wasn't touching each other. Whatever, at that point, y'all were just having words. What could he do? Nothing. But that was... And it was funny though, in the clip, you heard her say, you were a 40-something-year-old woman arguing with a 28-year-old girl. So she was like, I think she said to her like, well, stop talking to me, young girl, or something like that. I don't know what she said. And then she flipped the script like, oh, I'm a grown-ass woman. Which is it? Like, she was just doing too much. Well, I don't know who these people are. I'm sorry if by chance if you see this video and I'm talking about y'all. I'm sorry. It was funny. And I was there for it. So, I apologize. Sorry. And I'm gonna have to wait on those. Because those were hot. Those were hot. So I think I'm gonna have to wait on those. I guess I'll have to like, have to be lunch to wear. Kind of getting full, so I'm about to slow it down. But I am kind of getting full. So I'm gonna take a little second because I wanted to talk about the shootings, but I can't. Like, that stuff be so depressing, which is why I don't even watch the news now. Like, and then I will admit, I didn't even know about the shooting in El Paso. I only heard about the one in Dayton. So when I was, you know, looking at information on the one in Dayton, the one in El Paso showed up. And that guy killed, what, 22 people? And then the guy in Dayton, I saw his name. His name was Connor, what was it? Connor Betts, and he was only what? But I have it on my phone over here. He was 24. And he actually, his sister, he shot his sister. And like, this was a guy who, I said I didn't want to talk about it, but here we go. Like, I don't know. It's just weird. Because they're trying to say, like, we got to start looking for clues and patterns and things like this, and that that one of the clues or patterns that they're seeing is that they have a history of violence against women or hatred towards women or something like that. Because Connor had he had a kill list with a whole bunch of boys' names on it, they've figured out. And then he had a rape list with a bunch of girls' names on it. It's scary. Very scary. Like, nowadays, truthfully, you are like, you're not safe nowhere. Not in your home, not at the store, not at school, not at work. It's scary. And that's why I don't watch news. So depressing. Or at least if I do watch the news, it's not going to be at the beginning of the day. I will not. Because that sets your mood for the day. That sets the tone of the day. I use Alexa for the weather on my phone. But the news is too depressing to watch. I want to try another one, but then again, I don't. I think these are my favorite, actually. Out of all of them, it would probably be the Parmesan garlic, the honey barbecue, the Hawaiian. Then occasion. Just saying. I should have known. The sauce on this is really good though. It tastes like a like orange chicken or Chinese chicken. That's what the sauce reminds me of. I don't know if it's just me or not oily up here. They give you like that roll of paper towel, you gotta rip a piece off. I didn't think about grabbing more, but so I've been thinking about doing a giveaway with one of my IPSY bags. I don't know. You guys can give me ideas on that, or if you guys would be interested in that. But basically, it would just be you'd have to do something, or I don't know, put yourself like maybe I'll do a video where you guys have to watch it and comment or something like that, and I'll pick somebody and I'll send them one of my IPSY bags. I think I may do that. Comment down below if you'd be interested in me doing something like that, because I will like as I don't know if you guys have been watching my videos. If you have, thank you very much. Make sure you like the videos and subscribe. If you haven't been watching my videos, that's cool too. Welcome. Hopefully you find something that you like over here. But comment down below if that's something you guys would like to see me do. And if it's something that you guys would like, maybe we could do it more often. But that's kind of all for tonight. It was just a little quick video to talk to you guys about my day and the crazy stuff I encountered. But thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. Excuse me. Be sure to leave any video ideas or suggestions that you may have down in the comment section. I appreciate every single one of you that have watched my videos, that have commented on my videos, that has liked my videos, or even shared my videos. Right now, last time I checked, I am at 49 subscribers, so hopefully we can make that number go up. Just be sure to share my videos and suggest to your friends and family to watch. Thanks for watching and have a good night.